Richo, I challenge you to find a breakfast as healthy as this. This is unbelievable. You'll literally fall down with wellness because of this.
I give up already.
No, come on, stick with me, stick with me. Right, I'm going to show you my lovely fruit-spiced porridge. I'm really going to use actual freshly squeezed cold-pressed juice to just really infuse the oats. It's going to be delicious. Right, so we obviously start with a bit of juicing, the easiest way to get as much nutrition into you as possible. Vitamins, minerals, we don't need supplements, we just need to juice. So let's get juicing, starting off with those vitamin C rich carrots. So we've got 2 of those. I've got 1 orange and an apple. You're really getting your vitamin C dose, making sure you don't get any of those seasonal nasties.
Do you want me to take the centre out of the
You
oranges?
really don't need to. So when you have a nice, powerful, especially cold-pressed juicer, it will just take care of everything, including the skin around most things as well. Now, time for the absolute immune boosters. We've got fresh turmeric here. Look at that. And I have some ginger too. Again, you do not need to peel them. Just stick it right into the juicer.
That's what I like to do.
Let's go.
There we go.
Lovely. Now,
Why don't we just drink this instead of making a porridge out of it? Wouldn't that be a healthy thing to do?
look, you could do, but I want to add some extra fibre in as well. So we have this amazing soluble fibre within oats, which is what we want. So
I could have the juice and drink and then an apple. That would be enough fibre, wouldn't it?
Now, have you ever cooked oats within juice before?
No, I've actually, yes, I have used orange juice before, but
Yeah.
not like you're doing it
Well,
now.
this is really an honest, big health kick. So a nice, big, generous amount of oats there. So we simply want to just put this on a nice light simmer and let it just cook through. So whilst we're waiting for that to heat, I've got a little apple over there. So again, I'm going to increase the fibre as well. Some beautiful pectin in there. So I just want you to peel that one.
Peel it?
So I've got a little knife for you there. Peel that and just chop some apple. You can grab any fruit, any seasonal fruit that you want, and just kind of stir it through your porridge so you get nice little bits of different texture within it as well. And then I'm also going to get an orange and just use a bit of that extra zest as well for the top. And then I'll show you how to bring it all together. Richo, it does not get healthier than this, I tell you.
I'm feeling healthy just looking at it.
I know, it looks almost like dal, doesn't it?
It does, it does.
This is like Buddhist monk food. And then talking of monk, I have this amazing maple-flavoured monk fruit syrup. So I just want you to put a bit on there. That's just replacing kind of maple syrup, honey, anything like that. Really, really great.
I think I got too much on there.
That's fine, I knew you would. And I've got some gorgeous pecans here. They're not used enough, but they've got the most wonderful flavour. And they're obviously rich in omega-3 as well, which is great for our brains.
Little sprinkle of cinnamon.
Little sprinkling of cinnamon. Honestly, you've got your blood sugar balancing, you've got your anti-inflammatory from the turmeric, you get a bit of orange here, a bit more antioxidant. I mean, look at that. That makes me healthy and it just makes me happy. It's like sunshine.
Yeah, you sound very happy, don't you?
Oh, I'm really happy.
Now, I've got a feeling that one little spoonful like this is going to add another 5 years to my life, so
I reckon 10, to be honest.
I've got a lot of work to do to take it off, haven't I?
Yeah, let's have a little go.
That's quite nice.
It's quite nice. This is absolutely delicious. This is the sort of thing that nutritionists go to heaven for.
And people like me go to hell.